Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Meta AI to create videos for free, forever. Ladies and gentlemen, you heard it correctly. You're going to now create videos for free in Meta AI. Now, what you need to do is, there's a few ways of obviously creating this. You can upload an image, or you can just have a prompt that explains what type of video that you'd like to create. So let's go ahead and let's upload an image. Here's a pretty sick image of two cars taking a turn on a wet racetrack. And what we can say here is create a video. Like, let's start typing our prompt. All right, so we've got our prompt over here. We're going to hit the plus button again and click on create. And here you are going to just use this drop down menu, click on video, and basically it's going to animate and follow your prompt. Let's go and click on animate. All right, we got our video. Let's go and have a look at what it's created. Okay, so we've got call one doing a bit of a spin out over here. Very, very nicely done. Obviously, depending on how creative your prompt is and how good your image is, the video results will be better. Now, here's another way of creating videos for free with Meta AI. Let's say we are going to take, for example, this photograph over here, and you can literally see over here there is an animate button. So you're going to go and click on animate, and you can see now within the next few seconds, it will animate that image. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you can see over here that this image is now being animated a little bit better than the previous animation. Of course, you can play around with your prompts and see what actually works for you. I hope this was helpful.